Are you ready for a recipe that's going to surprise your taste buds? Today I'm showing you how to make stuffed apples with spiced meatballs, a unique dish that perfectly blends sweet apples with savory, aromatic spices. Trust me, you'll want to watch this until the end, because once you try it, it might just become your new favorite comfort food. Let's start by mixing grated onion, ground beef, and a beautiful blend of spices: paprika, cumin, cinnamon, and a touch of black pepper. These spices not only add depth of flavor, but they're also packed with health benefits. Cumin aids digestion, while cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar. Mix everything well and roll into small meatballs. We'll gently simmer our meatballs in water for about an hour. This method keeps them moist, tender, and healthy without extra oil. Now for the star of the show, our apples. Slice the tops, scoop out the centers, and finally chop some of that apple flesh. Apples are rich in fiber and antioxidants, so they make this dish both wholesome and delicious. In a pan, heat olive oil with cumin and a dash of cinnamon. Then sauté the chopped apples until fragrant. This step releases amazing aromas and adds a sweet spice base for our stuffing. Fill each hollow apple with the sautéed mixture. Decorate with carrot slices shaped like little flowers. And place one juicy meatball right in the center. Close with the apple lid and brush lightly with olive oil for that golden shine. Place the stuffed apples in a pan with a little water, cover, and let them steam gently for 20 minutes until tender. What you'll get is a stunning dish that looks elegant and tastes incredible: sweet, savory, aromatic, and packed with nutrition. If this recipe caught your attention, imagine how amazing it's going to taste when you make it yourself. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Would you try savory stuffed apples at home? Comment below and let me know. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this recipe. Share it with friends who love creative cooking. And of course, subscribe for more unique dishes every week. Let's make cooking exciting together.